Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable LED notification lights in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable LED light for your notifications, that whenever you receive a call or any kind of notifications, your LED light will blink. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software. So go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any kind of pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software, then go back from here and just simply tap on accessibility. In accessibility, just scroll down and you will get an option of audio and visual. Just select that, then scroll to end and you will see an option of LED flash for alerts. You just have to select that and you have to try to enable this. Once you have enabled, you'll get two further setting that flash will unlock. So if you it enable, it will not work and lock. So I recommend you have to try to disable this. And there's a flash in silent mode. So whenever your phone will in silent mode, it will blink or your LED will flash. So you just have to enable this toggle. So in this way, you can easily get or enable LED flash light for your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.